it out, y'all. It's my 20-inch skillet. It's got 2 handles on it. Made by Cabela's. Oh yeah. I love it. Well, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the corner. Calvin's Corner 72. Today, it's cooking in a 20-inch cast iron, baby. This thing is a whopper, let me tell you. We're gonna use this old stand. We're gonna get her going. We're gonna do some breakfast today. This is Cast Iron Wednesday. Y'all stick around. It's gonna be good. Well, the first thing you know we gotta do, we gotta get some chicken eggs. We're gonna cook breakfast. What better place to get chicken eggs? That's right, I'm getting you babies. Chicken eggs, nope, nope. Yeah, I'm gonna find them. There they are. Oh, look at them little babies. Just what I was coming for. And hey, this one right here is a little warm. This one must be fresh off the... That's right. You know, fresh. They don't get no better than that, y'all. Well, the first thing we do is fire this thing up. Steve Robb said these things are dangerous, but I don't know why he'd say that. I like them. Oh yeah. It won't be long now. She's getting a little warm. Well, I'm gonna put a little bit of peanut oil in here. Make things happy. And we're gonna pour on the bacon. Now this is that old heavy, thick bulk bacon. You know, you get it in a big old pack. Well, our stores, they sell the big packs of bacon. And it ain't that little thin packs that are $6 a pack for a pound. You get a big old container full of it for like $8, man. No, it ain't the most pretty, but it's bacon. We're frying it up. It looks good. Y'all let me know if y'all ever tried any of this bacon. I think it's gonna be good. It kind of looks like salt cured bacon, but it's not salt cured bacon. Although it may have some salt in it. All right, y'all. While this bacon's cooking, I like to say there's a lot of people that I'm subscribed to that does these Cast Iron Wednesday videos. One of them is Native Tears. I'll put her link down below, okay? You need to go check her out. Her and Shovelhead 8. I'll put his link down below. They do these Cast Iron Wednesday videos, and they do a good job with it. I'm gonna tell you, it's awesome to get in here and do this. Seems like our community is always coming up with something fresh and something new, and most of the time it has a lot to do with cast iron, which you know I do. I love cast iron. I like Dutch oven cooking, just any kind of cooking on cast. That's the way to go. It's the country way. These things, they'll last forever. This Cabela's cast iron pot cooker was about $65 at Cabela's. So yeah, check them out. Pretty awesome. If you want one of these, they'll last forever. They'll be good for cooking like chicken in, and you fill that thing up and get it good and hot, throw your chicken in there and cook a whole batch at one time, if that's what you want to do. Now, I can't take credit for this. This is not my cast. It's Miss Betty's. Yeah. She let me use it today. It's been used one time and Miss Betty cooked in it. It was hers. She wanted it. I bought it for her. What can I say? I love her. You know, Miss Betty, if you see this video, Sunday's coming up. Happy Mother's Day to you. And happy Mother's Day to all you out there. Last Sunday, I know you're going to see this Wednesday, but it's Sunday's coming up. So it'll be past by the time you see this. But I hope your Mother's Day was very good. Very happily. Well spent with your family. What I like about this is, once you get the bacon cooked, you got extra grease in here with that little bit of peanut oil. Then I'm gonna put my hash browns in here, and then cook my eggs over here. And if you even wanted to, you could put pancakes on the other side. I mean, you could cook everything in one pan. This is a multitask pan. I really like it. It's got plenty of room. I can move everything to one side. You know, it's sort of like a discata without being a discata. It's a flat scotta. How about that? But I really like it. It's been fun. And since I don't have any other cast iron videos outside of my rocket stove video, which I did put in my cast iron Dutch oven cooking, so I'll probably put this in my Dutch oven cooking, and I'll put that link at the back end of this video. Y'all can click on that and check them out if you hadn't seen all my Dutch oven cooking. I really enjoy this kind of thing. Now I'm fixing to cook me up a rooster if you don't quit. My God, they got quiet, didn't they? I mean it too. Ain't no word eyeballing me. This is for you, Broseph. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got it on there now. Oh yeah. Something I forgot to get a while ago. Yeah, it's made in Taiwan, but it is cast iron. My bacon press. I can't remember everything. Oh yeah. Bacon's about done. Slide it off to one side. She's good and hot right in the middle. Cook me up some hash browns. These are Southwestern style hash browns, already pre-seasoned. Man, you can't beat them. These things are awesome. I'm telling you. That's gonna be more than I need, but if I open the pack, might as well cook them, right? Holy cannoli. Oh my gosh. These are gonna be so good. What? I gotta test the bacon? You know, other people do cast iron Wednesday. I've seen several people. The M.I. Woodsman, Carolina Chris, several people. Just can't remember everybody offhand. Man, this is good. This is just like camping, you know, except I'm in the backyard. It's nice and convenient. I smell a little amber fluid in my future. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about. Coming along real good. Okay, y'all, I got the taters pushed to the side. It literally took like 5 minutes. I think them potatoes are pre-cooked. Doesn't take very long at all to get them things ready to go. Okay, put a little extra peanut oil in here, get it some juice, some fresh eggs. Oh yeah. Now, what I'm gonna put on these fresh eggs, I usually put salt and pepper, but today, it's Mike's smoked seasoning. Little doggy, you've saved me. He's come to the rescue, and I appreciate it. Oh yeah. That is gonna be awesome. Y'all get a chance, get over and see Mike, little doggy, get some of this Mike's smoked seasoning. I'll put his link down below as well. Y'all check him out. Oh boy. Let's see if I can do this. Oh yeah. God dang. Oh yeah, did it. Didn't even bust it. Mama'd be proud. Turn the heat off. All I got left to do is plate it up. Well, I can't wait. Hey y'all, I really appreciate y'all coming by seeing me today. Scavengers Corner 72. Check that big breakfast out. Got me some may-may. I love to may-may. Bacon, home fries, and good old egg. Let me tell you if this is any good or not. Oh yeah, that's good. Check it out. That egg is just right. Mmm. That major's good. I bet it won't be as good as the ones I got in that garden when they get big. Y'all check out my garden updates too. Y'all have had a good time. Appreciate you coming by the corner, checking out Cast Iron Wednesday. Ain't nothing like it. Y'all get out and do a little cast iron cooking yourself. Y'all come back and see me. Cabela's Corner 72. And if you're next door, you come get you some of this grocery right here. You know what would be better? If I had a little rooster to go with this. How y'all look? I'm eating your kids. That was little Johnny. Johnny good. Aye. Whew. What? Did you really think I was going to forget the amber fluid? Oh no, baby. It's happening. It's happening. Don't get no better than this. Now if I can get out of this son of a bitch.